we're going to go over and reap or glean in the vineyard. And I did have a nice picture. Here we go. So this guy is in the vineyard, and some of those folks in the back may be the gleaners. Who knows? But anyway, it's a vineyard. So the word for vineyard is kerem, and the word for harvesting in a vineyard is alal. And we're going to find instances of those. I'm sorry. Okay. We're going to find instances of those words in our verse, obviously. The grammar points are familiar to you. Vi means and. Ha at the end of a word means your. Vi appears at the beginning of a word. Ha at the end means your. And tav at the beginning means you will. So, Joseph, take a turn at the first few words and let's try to translate the first three words.
Okay. Vechar mecha.
Beautiful. Are you trying to translate it, or are you continuing your reading?
Oh, you said the first three. Vechar mecha.
Yeah, first three. Yeah.
Lote oleil.
Beautiful. So let's take that much. We have obviously the kerem, shoresh, and then we have vav at the beginning and cha at the end. How would we translate vechar mecha?
And
your vineyard.
Well done, and your vineyard. Well done. Do you get it, Pastor? Are you with us?
yes.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure. I don't want Gideon to leave you in the dust. We have an expression in the United States. He left me in the dust. It means he got so far ahead of me that So I don't want you to be covered with dust, brother. If you get covered with dust, I'm coming to Kutus to wipe the dust off of you, so don't worry. How about ti'oleo? We see the ayin, lamed, lamed, the alal, to harvest. That's the word we use to harvest grapes.
You will harvest.
You will harvest. Gideon, you're just too fast at this stuff. So how do we translate then the whole phrase? V'char mecha lo ti'oleo.
You harvest in your vineyard.
No. Law means not.
Right.
So you will not harvest in your vineyard.
Right. So maybe I'm given the wrong sense of oleo. This is the gleaning. It's not the full harvesting, it's the gleaning. So it's the same idea that anything that falls from the tree, it's on the ground, or it falls from your truck that you're taking around. Anything that falls onto the ground, we shouldn't oleo as the gleanings in this case. Let's just, Gideon, let's continue to practice our reading of the rest of the verse, and then we'll say our farewells.
Okay. So I continue the same sentence.
Yeah.
U ufer uferet.
Oh, uferet.
Uferet.
Nice.
Karmecha
Right.
lo.
Beautiful. And you may recall from yesterday, the word leket or lakat also means to glean. So there are two different words for gleaning. The alal to olel, he will glean, and tilakate, you will glean. Lo tilakate, you will not glean, you will not gather the fallen fruit. Ferret, I guess, is the term for fallen fruit. Uferet karmecha, the fallen fruit of your vineyard, lo tilakate, you shall not gather. Okay, continue.
Le'ani velager
Nice,
ta'azov.
beautiful,
Otam
beautiful.
ani
Ani, I,
Yehovah
Yehovah,
Elohechem. Elohechem.
beautiful, Elohechem.
Elohechem.
Elohecha.
Yep.
Le'ani, I'm sorry, you want to try it once more? Elohechem,
Elohechem.
very nice. Le'ani v'lager, to the poor, le is to the, le'ani v'lager, and to the stranger, or for the poor, le'ani, for the poor person, vilager, and for the stranger, ta'azov otam, you shall leave them. Ani Hashem Elohechem, I am the Lord your God. Beautifully done, guys. Let's give some thought to juicing up the class again. I sent out lots of messages to students, and hopefully we can get back to a larger group soon. That's all I have for us for our class. The silver to